Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to receive all notifications. The universe is an immense theater of wonders and mysteries, a stage without visible boundaries on which galaxies, stars, planets, and invisible forces move in a continuous and dynamic show that has been playing for over 13.8 billion years. Every corner of the cosmos is pervaded by processes that challenge our understanding: the birth and death of stars, galaxy collisions, black holes devouring light, and the background radiation still echoing the Big Bang. And yet, despite the enormous amount of data collected thanks to ground-based and space telescopes, interplanetary probes, and robotic missions, we are still in the embryonic stage of our true understanding of the cosmos. Every new discovery, no matter how revolutionary, seems not so much to bring us closer to a final truth as to open up new questions, new abysses of ignorance and wonder. It is as if the universe reveals itself to us in successive layers, each deeper and more mysterious than the last. And with each layer, the sense of vertigo grows, the sublime disorientation we feel when we confront the infinite. One of the most unsettling and fundamental questions concerns the true nature of dark matter, an invisible and elusive component that makes up about 27% of the universe's total energy content. It emits or reflects no form of light or electromagnetic radiation. It is completely transparent, indifferent to the instruments with which we observe the cosmos. Yet its presence is undeniable, revealed by its gravitational influences. It is what holds galaxies together, preventing them from tearing apart due to rotation. It is what shapes the large-scale structure of the universe, the so-called cosmic web, a network of invisible filaments along which clusters of galaxies gather. The most accredited theories hypothesize that dark matter is composed of still unknown subatomic particles, such as WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, or axions, predicted by theoretical physics models beyond the Standard Model. However, despite decades of research and sophisticated experiments in the world's most advanced underground laboratories, none of these particles have yet been detected. Some physicists then wonder whether dark matter is really something material, or whether we are facing a signal indicating the need to revise the very laws of gravity, hypothesizing modifications to general relativity. We may have only scratched the surface of a much deeper paradigm. Yet what makes the cosmic picture even more fascinating, and at the same time more unsettling, is the existence of another, even more elusive entity: dark energy. Unlike dark matter, dark energy does not act on a local scale, but on a cosmic one. It is the force that is accelerating the expansion of the universe, a repulsive push that seems to act in the opposite direction to gravity. Unexpectedly discovered in the late 1990s through the study of Type Ia supernovae, it revolutionized modern cosmology. If dark matter holds the universe together, dark energy is instead stretching it, pulling galaxies away from each other at an increasingly rapid pace. But what exactly is it? It could be an intrinsic property of quantum vacuum, the famous energy field of nothingness. Or it could be a new form of scalar field, currently unknown. In both cases, dark energy accounts for about 68% of the total content of the universe, and yet it remains completely shrouded in mystery. Some models suggest extreme scenarios, such as the Big Rip, an apocalyptic future in which the repulsive force of dark energy would grow to the point of breaking every gravitational, molecular, atomic bond, until even the structure of spacetime itself is torn apart. Making everything even more dizzying is the idea, now taken seriously by many currents in theoretical physics, that our universe is not the only one. The concept of a multiverse, once confined to science fiction or philosophical speculation, has found new life in models of cosmic inflation. According to these theories, after the Big Bang our universe may be just one of countless bubbles arising from an inflationary expansion, each with different physical constants, laws, and dimensions. Some universes could be completely inhospitable to life, others, perhaps, home to civilizations radically different from anything we can conceive. Our universe, then, would be just an infinitesimal fragment of a vaster hyperspace, a metacosmos, populated by parallel realities. And yet, how could we prove it? Some scientists hypothesize that in rare cases two bubble universes could collide, leaving imprints in the cosmic microwave background, the fossil radiation of the Big Bang. So far, however, no observational evidence has confirmed these clues. Yet the very thought that our universe could be one among infinite others, and that we may not even be unique on a cosmic scale, opens a new, dizzying dimension of mystery. And what about what lies beyond the edge of our observable horizon? The universe we can see is limited not by physical barriers, but by time and light. We can observe only the portion of the cosmos from which light has had time to reach us in 13.8 billion years. Beyond that boundary lies total unknown. Are there more galaxies? Other universes? Spaces that curve in on themselves? Some theories suggest that spacetime could be finite but without borders, like the surface of a sphere in 4 dimensions. In that case, traveling in a straight line for long enough might eventually bring us, in an eternal cycle, back to the starting point. Or the universe could truly be infinite, a cosmic ocean that stretches forever, containing all that has been, is, and will be. Finally, the most deeply human question: are we alone? Life on Earth could be a rare anomaly, a biological miracle in an indifferent universe. Or it could be an inevitable manifestation of complexity, destined to emerge wherever the conditions are right. In recent decades, thanks to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, we know that potentially habitable worlds are not at all rare. Some lie in the habitable zone of their stars, others show signs of complex atmospheres or possible underground oceans. However, so far no evidence of life, neither microbial nor intelligent, has been found. The Fermi paradox, "Where is everybody?" questions us with growing urgency. Perhaps intelligent life quickly goes extinct. Perhaps it's not interested in communicating. Or perhaps it exists, but is deliberately avoiding us, as suggested by the galactic zoo hypothesis. We may be a civilization still too young, observed from afar like an experiment. Yet in this vast uncertainty, one thing becomes clear. The universe is not just a physical reality to measure, but also a mental, philosophical, and spiritual frontier. It is the mirror of our deepest questions, a reflection of the ceaseless human desire to understand, to explore, and to find meaning in apparent chaos. In every star that is born, in every comet that travels, in every distant galaxy, echoes a reflection of who we are: ephemeral beings gazing into the infinite, trying to grasp the invisible. Perhaps we will never find all the answers. But perhaps it is precisely this search, this need to understand what transcends us, that makes us truly human.